All right, guys, one of the things that's one of our biggest heartbeats, we share this heart, our leaders, Dr. Eric Brower, Dr. Eric Kowalke, we believe in supporting the supporters of chiropractic. What does that mean? We believe in contributing to a greater cause than ourselves. We understand that it's important to have successful individual practices, to have other successful business ventures at all times, being diversified, but it's all to drive one thing, so that we can support and advance chiropractic. So it takes supporting those organizations that stand and represent what we believe, and that's the principle of chiropractic.
Yeah, man, that's why we do what we do, because we're committed to a cause greater than ourselves.
Absolutely.
You know, yes, we want to be successful, be the best we can in the four walls of our practice, right? We want to be the best chiropractor. We want to be a chiropractor community leader, right?
That's right.
But man, beyond that, we want to be advanced, we want to be expansive to the point where we can support those who support chiropractic. Pediatric research, like you said.
Yes.
You know, chiropractic colleges who support chiropractic.
Yes, absolutely. Just pure chiropractic research at a whole. You know, I mean, it's like those organizations, they need money. They need soldiers. If you don't have the time to give money, because there are people that want to take action and it requires funding. And so we support the organizations nationally, internationally, the institutions, the organizations that will stand and support and preserve the principles of chiropractic. If you don't want to go to the front lines and you don't want to fight in Washington, if you don't want to go to those board meetings, if you don't want to go to those state organizations and get gritty and get ugly and get scrappy, then support the people that are doing it. If we want to have this beautiful thing we call principle chiropractic, and we want to hand it over to our children, give them the option to be under care, we want to give them the option to become a practitioner, then it needs to be preserved, and it starts with you. So here, I'll tell you this, as it goes for AMPed, we will not go away. We are going to stand in the gap. We are going to continually drive forward, and we're going to support the supporters of chiropractic so we can create critical mass with you.